family air conditioner. Forgot to turn off our air conditioner? Simply use the app to check the status quickly and easily, no matter where you are. Customize your comfort, finding the perfect cooling or heating temperature for your family at any time, no matter where you are. Want to go home and immediately enjoy an ideal temperature? Simply use the app to check air conditioner status. Adjust your comfort quickly and easily. Match your air conditioner schedule to your family's routine to optimize running time and enjoy savings on your energy bill. Smartly controls 10 air conditioners into the maximum of 3 groups for your convenience. Air conditioning turned off? Easy access to your air conditioners on the move. Adapt your comfort to your lifestyle. Take complete control of your comfort with the Toshiba Home AC Control app.